Hello guys, welcome to another fresh episode of your favorite gadget show, Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji, जहां पे हम बात करते हैं in the world of gadgets, covering everything from smartphones to don't know, मतलब बड़े से बड़े gadgets, basically everything. And this week in this episode, I've got something special for you. We are going out of the studio, जहाँ पे हम दिखाएंगे आपको एक अच्छी सी facility. I'll show you how mobile phones are made. In fact, साथ में we have some leaks about the new iPhones and whatnot. बहुत कुछ फन होने वाला है, बहुत मजा भी आने वाला है. My name is Gaurav, aka Technical Guruji. जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, for the top story of the week, I have a special treat for you, for all of you who love gadgets, because abhi we are going to a facility जहाँ पे mobile phones बनाए जाते हैं. We are going to cover how Techno makes and does all the tests, everything at their facility with all their smartphones. Let's have a look. This is the Techno facility where they manufacture millions of phones every year, and recently even the market for Techno has grown a lot with the launch of new Phantom series. In fact, the Phantom V Fold was the first folding phone to be made in India, and actually the phone was made right inside here. So let's go inside, have a closer look just to see how the phones are made, how the phones are tested, and what all goes in the entire process of making smartphones.
पीसीबी क्या है? बेसिकली किसी एक फोन का हार्ट है, कोर पार्ट. जो मेरी पीसीबी रेडी होगी, देन ओनली आई कैन असेंबल द फोन. तो ये मेरी पीसीबी है. अभी तक ये सिर्फ पीसीबी है जी. दैट इज नॉट द पीसीबी है, क्योंकि ये एक मेरा बेयर बोर्ड है जिसको मैं अपना अभी जिग्स में फिक्स कर रही हूँ.
Guys, if you see, the camera is scanning bit by bit the entire section of all these 4 PCBs, and finally we'll have a result that good. तो यहाँ पे the machine is doing all the work and precisely putting in the right component in the right place, और बाहर हमको मिलेगा PCB with everything on top. यहाँ पे हमारा सब कुछ लग चुका है. We have the processor, we have this is basically the SIM tray जहाँ पे आप SIM cards लगाते हो. So all these kind of tiny components ये इस पूरे setup में mount किए हैं. We have these machines wherein the systems are completely in place. You just load in batches and you can see the progress. Basically, all the required files, the complete software is loaded. The kind of components, with so much of detail that are put in.
यहाँ पे ये आपका फार एंड नियर डिस्टेंस वाला कैमरा टेस्ट करता है.
Focusing and everything.
Focusing and everything. फिर उसके साथ साथ में यहाँ पे ये इस फॉर्म के थ्रू चेक करें कि कैमरा लगने के बाद उसमें कोई स्पॉट तो नहीं आया है.
Camon 20 series camera is definitely of prime highlight, जहाँ पे it's also having OIS. So in this machine, the OIS testing is going on. ये बैक पैनल है. फ्रंट एंड साइड्स बनते बनते फोन यहाँ तक पहुंचा है. ग्लू लग चुका है. एंड दिस मशीन मेकिंग श्योर दैट एवरीथिंग इज कंप्लीटली टुगेदर. Literally thousands of phones in this small space for the aging test. I don't want to count how many phones in one rack. If I count 1, 2, 3. Guys, 50 phones in one rack. You can see all the chargers, all the phones are plugged in. और ऐसे we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 racks. These are for the aging test. It runs for 8 straight hours. All the phones are powered, continuously all the time, and then multiple tests are being run just to make sure that the phone is completely reliable, everything is working as intended, ताकि जब फोन मार्केट में कस्टमर्स के हाथों में जाए तो एकदम as expected काम करे. So guys, as you saw in this episode, we have been talking about the Camon 20 lineup, and like this in my hand is the Camon 20 Pro. In the Camon series, camera is of prime importance. तो हमने फोन को बनते हुए देखा, सारी हमने टेस्टिंग देखी, but because camera is kind of one of the important bits of this phone, now let's check कि how the camera is tested.
तो इसके अंदर हम कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट करते हैं जो कि मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ये डार्क रूम है. इस मशीन का नाम है स्पेक्ट्रालाइट QC. लाइक दिस. ओके, ठीक है. मैं आपको लाइव बताता हूँ अपने कंप्यूटर में.
तो बेसिकली उसने इस फोटो को एनालाइज किया है, और इस फोटो को एनालाइज करके हमको एग्जैक्ट सारी वैल्यूज मिली हैं कि
करेक्ट. सैचुरेशन की वैल्यू, AWB की वैल्यू, अंडरस्टूड, नॉइस की वैल्यू, सारी वैल्यूज यहाँ से मैनेज होती है.
राइट नाउ आई एम एट द फैसिलिटी जहाँ पे द फोन्स आर टेस्टेड अक्रॉस different set of user behaviors just to make sure that they are as reliable as they can be. This is the test which is the most important, I think, because whenever you keep your phone in your back pocket and you sit, lots of pressure is applied on the phone. तो यहाँ पे ये machine जो है यही test कर रही है with a force of 20 kgf and this is done 3000 times. Multiple times, the force is being put just to make sure कि phone physically strong है. I'll try to make sure it lands on screen. यहाँ से ना side से. This phone is being tested for impacts of corrosion, let's say, because this is the salt spray test to simulate what can go wrong in a real world. And this is for how long, sir?
Sir, 24.
24 hours. I have with me Arijit, the CEO of Techno Mobiles India. Arijit, welcome to the show. How are you doing?
Absolutely good.
I mean, impressed by the setup that you have. I have observed the journey of Techno in India from being a 10K brand to kind of going up the hill now and with a Phantom V Fold, achieving the foldable technology. How do you think your journey has been?
हमारा जर्नी 2017 में शुरू हुआ और 2017 में जब हमने शुरू किया, our first and only objective is we wanted to understand our consumers. And first we were primarily focusing on the less than 20K segment.
Yeah.
And less than 20K segment, what is the consumer want, what is his requirement, what is his desire, what is his aspiration, और उसके हिसाब से उसको क्या दिया जाए ताकि वो delighted हो. Then we came to the premium segment with the Phantom X, Phantom X2 Pro हमने लॉन्च किया इस साल के शुरू में. वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट रिट्रैक्टेबल कैमरा, उसका जो बैक कवर है वो रिन्यूएबल प्लास्टिक वेस्ट इंडियन ओशन से उससे बना है. और मेरे को पता है कि आपको Phantom V Fold बहुत पसंद है.
Phantom V Fold, to be honest, I'll ask another question because the way I experienced the phone, it felt nice in the hand. It gave a good premium experience. And the best part that I was, curious about कि आपने phone India में बनाया and Techno being the first brand to manufacture a foldable in India.
Absolutely.
How do you think that has been for you?
देखिए, Phantom V Fold हमने इसी फैक्ट्री में बनाया है and the consumers have loved it.
Yeah.
And what we always surprise is that we say India is a price sensitive market.
It is.
तो हमने एक फोल्ड लॉन्च किया, द लार्जेस्ट फोल्ड ऑलमोस्ट एट अ फ्लिप प्राइस. 10,000 से 1 लाख का हैंडसेट तो हमने पूरा डिवाइसेस लॉन्च किया ही है. इसके बाद हम AIoT प्रोडक्ट्स में काफ़ी अच्छी तरह ला रहे हैं और अगले महीने तक आपको लैपटॉप में भी कुछ सुनाई देगा.
मैं सवाल पूछने वाला था कि अभी आगे क्या होने वाला है, आपने पहले ही बता दिया. अभी मैंने कैमॉन को बनते हुए देखा एंड आई थिंक the word stands for camera on.
Yes.
That's the kind of Camon thing. Camon में मैंने देखा कि for example, let's say with the sensor shift technology.
Correct.
Or maybe the RGBW Pro sensor.
Correct.
How do you think, कैमराज लोगों को ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहे हैं या फिर लोग कैमराज ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं?
As you said, कैमरा ऑन. तो आज कैमरा के काफ़ी रीजंस हैं. एक, लोग सोशल मीडिया में हर वक्त रहते हैं.
Yeah.
तो जब सोशल मीडिया में हर वक्त रहते हैं तो एक अच्छा फ़ोन होना चाहिए जिसका कैमरा बहुत अच्छा हो. आज अगर आप फ़ोन्स देखेंगे तो डिफरेंशिएशन नॉर्मल फ़ोन्स में बहुत कम है.
हाँ.
तो एक अच्छा कैमरा इज क्लियर डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दैट फोन. कैमन 20 में अल्टीमेट इमेजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी हम कर रहे हैं लो लाइट फोटोग्राफी के लिए. क्योंकि अभी इट्स ऑल अबाउट एनी लाइट फोटोग्राफी. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको लाइट में ही फोटो लेना पड़ेगा. ऑल्सो द एंटी शेक सेंसरशिप जो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, आप मूव कर रहे हैं, आप भागते हुए भी अगर फोटो ले. I was
told that it adjusts itself 5,000 times each second.
Absolutely.
Yeah. और हम क्या expect कर सकते हैं from the world of techno going forward?
देखिए, हमारा फोकस 10,000 से 1 लाख के बीच में हर सेगमेंट में रहेगा और हर सेगमेंट में हमारा हर चैनल में रहेगा. फोल्ड तो हमने ले ही आए हैं.
हाँ.
आपको बहुत जल्दी H2 में आपको टेक्नो फ्लिप के बारे में सुनाई देगा.
So guys, you are hearing for the first time here, I think.
फ्यूचर अच्छा रहेगा, प्रोडक्ट्स लाते रहेंगे.
Guys, that's the line coming from Arijit. Future अच्छा रहेगा because टेक्नो 10,000 से लेके 1 लाख के प्राइस ब्रैकेट में अक्रॉस कैटेगरीज, अक्रॉस काइंड ऑफ चैनल्स नए प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आने वाला है, जहाँ पे 2 confirmations we already have from him, which is the Techno laptop and the Techno Flip coming soon to you. Guys, I'm sure you enjoyed this close look at how mobile phones are manufactured, because at times when we use these gadgets, हमको मजा तो बहुत आता है, but we almost forget that what takes to make these mobile phones, and not just the manufacturing, even the reliability thing was all fun. मतलब जब मैंने फोन गिराया ना, I felt कि वो टूट गया, but it was all okay. And we in our daily lives might not use these gadgets to these extents, but it's always a treat to see that how brands are pushing in all they can just to make sure that we get good products. And by the way, इस शो में आपके लिए बहुत कुछ good आने वाला है, in fact better और best भी आने वाला है, but that's on the other side because I'm gonna see you after a short break. Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite show about gadgets, the place where you get information about क्या नया आने वाला है, क्या चल रहा है और क्या आगे होने वाला है, because this is Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. My name is Gaurav TG, your host, और आज इस episode में I'm gonna show you something super exclusive, because in my hands this is the all new iPhone 15 Pro जो कि Apple सितंबर में लॉन्च करेगा. I have managed to get dummies of all the upcoming new iPhones. We have the iPhone 15 Pro, the Pro Max, the 15, the 15 Plus, basically everything. और आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि क्या नया होने वाला है और क्या कुछ changes हम expect कर सकते हैं इस पूरे lineup में. The first thing which is pretty obvious the moment I had a look was कि यहाँ पे अभी finally in the entire iPhone lineup we are getting the USB-C port. So no more Lightning जो कि iPhone 5 के टाइम पे अनाउंस हुआ था, अभी finally it's all USB-C across the lineup. Now one more change is the in-hand feel of these phones, because now the edges are slightly curved on both the sides. तो अगर आपने Pro phone पकड़ा है या Standard 15 पकड़ा है, आपको in-hand feel काफी अच्छा होने वाला है, because normally you see with all these new iPhones, because of the sharp edges, sometimes जब आप लंबे टाइम तक फोन को यूज करते हो तो you will feel कि phone is kind of digging in your palms, but अभी ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. Another change I can give you is पीछे की तरफ if you see the 15 lineup is with this matte finish. Usually the way Apple does is the base phones like for example the 14 and the 14 Plus, they'll have a glossy finish, लेकिन जो Pro वाले phones होते हैं उसमें हमको मिलता है एक matte finish, but this time across the lineup we have a matte feel. तो अभी कुछ Apple नया करने वाला है. And one last thing जो नई होने वाली है जो मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ which is clearly visual from the outside is the new kind of buttons in the Pro lineup. These are not for the standard 15 and the 15 Plus, but in fact for the Pro lineup now I have a different kind of a mute switch. So maybe it's a solid state button जहाँ पे you apply some pressure and then maybe you can use different levels of pressure, gives you different kinds of things. Same thing goes with the volume button, because now it's kind of like a single unit, like a bigger capsule giving you the volume up and down options. So हो सकता है कि Apple कुछ नया करने वाला है. अब now we just need to wait till September to find out कि what exactly Apple is planning to pack inside these phones. Cameras कैसे होंगे या डिस्प्ले में कुछ हमको नया मिलता है या नहीं. अच्छा, for a fact I'll give you one more exclusive. Now I'm not sure of this, but the way these dummies were sent to us, and the packing said iPhone 15 Ultra, not iPhone 15 Pro Max. So हो सकता है Apple might change their naming scheme. So this could be iPhone 15 Ultra. So let's see कि क्या exactly होता है in the week of September जब Apple इन नए फोन्स को लॉन्च करता है. लॉन्च से काफी पहले हमने पूरा देख लिया है the first glimpse of the new iPhone lineup. उस टाइम पे we'll again see and आप बताना कि क्या जो मैंने बातें बोली हैं उसमें से सच हुई हैं. But just adding one thing here, फोन्स हम सभी के पास में हैं, हम सभी इनको यूज करते हैं और मोस्टली लोग दिन भर यूज करते हैं फोन्स को ऐसे पकड़ के चैटिंग. तो आई एम गोना गिव यू द टेक टिप ऑफ दिस वीक wherein you can enhance your experience if you are chatting a lot on phones, especially WhatsApp. Now guys, as I give you all the tips for all the gadgets that you use all the time, but I'm sure this one is going to be one of the most important one, because WhatsApp has just come up with 2 new features. lots of users, were complaining, calls from unknown numbers, and eventually, ending up in a scammy situation. So now you have the option to silence those calls from unknown numbers straight away with just one click. And if you're thinking that उस टाइम पे क्या होगा जब कोई आपका पुराना दोस्त आपको कॉल कर रहा है, the call logs gonna be there, but basically the concept is that you don't get disturbed by these unknown callers, and at times लोग बहुत scams में फंस रहे थे, तो this is again a good thing, from that point of view. And additionally we have one more thing which is very important for all the users of WhatsApp, because at times privacy settings are hidden deep inside the menus, but now we have a new privacy guide which is going to show you all possible options for different attributes, and the user can then decide that उनको कौन सी सेटिंग्स रखनी है, कितना privacy को मेंटेन करना है, कितना नहीं करना है. Basically, given the kind of size of user base that WhatsApp has, I'm sure these two new features will bring in safe chatting environment for all of us. Guys, now it's time for my favorite part of the show, wherein I am answering all your questions जो भी आपने पूछे हैं at the email. You know the email already, but if you don't, the email address is very simple. It's tg@ndtv.com, जहाँ पे आप सभी सवाल पूछते हैं. I'm gonna give all the answers. Let's see what we have this week. So yours the best gadget, the best tool to kind of track your health, to track all your activities. Ideally to begin with, I think would be an alarm clock यार, because अगर उठोगे नहीं टाइम पे तो वो activities करोगे कब जो track करना चाहते हो. But again, if you want to actually track maybe your calorie burn or your sleep, like multiple things, then we have numerous gadgets, numerous products. You can start with a very simple, fitness band, fitness tracker. You can go up to a smartwatch. You can go towards like likes of Garmin, for example, जहाँ पे वो dedicated हैं to track in all your runs and everything. So it all depends on your budget, your preference, your style. But ideally, I would want to say, get any basic fitness band just to get the, just the basic calculations right. And eventually, you can dive deep in the world of, this tracking and everything. And now next, we have a video question from Amisha. Let's see.
Hello Technical Guruji, big fan. Thank you for this opportunity to let me ask this question. My phone's battery goes away faster, so how should I make it last longer?
What a simple question, and I'll give you the simplest possible answer. Phone use mat karo. फोन ज़्यादा यूज़ मत करो तो लंबा चलेगा. बट okay, if you want to use your phone like we all do and still want that your phone should last longer, then there are multiple ways. Maybe you can reduce the display brightness. Maybe you can uninstall all the unused apps. Maybe they are running in the background draining your battery. You can use some battery saver option if in case your phone has one. Otherwise, you can use dark mode if your phone has an AMOLED screen. Just to make sure कि आप कम से कम resources use करोगे, और अगर आप कम से कम resources use करोगे तो eventually your phone's gonna last longer. Or the best would be, I think, if you can enable a black and white mode on your phone, because if your phone becomes black and white, you would end up using it lesser. Eventually your phone's gonna last long. So guys, that's it for this episode, and I'm sure you had all the fun because I showcased this factory in front of you. We had a first look for the first time at the dummies of the new upcoming iPhone 15 lineup. हमने सवाल जवाब भी कर लिए हैं, टेक टिप आपको मिल चुकी है. Basically सारा मजा I'm sure you are getting. And guys, if you want to ask any questions, any feedback, anything, you want to write, the email address is tg@ndtv.com for all your queries. And who knows, अगला video अगले time पे आपका चल रहा होगा, and I'll giving you all the answers. I'm gonna see you next week. That's it for this week. Thank you. Have a good day.